Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you are doing good. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the else statement used with loops. We already discussed about the while loop and for loop. If you haven't watched those videos yet, please do watch it. I will provide the links in the description box. Please do check it. And coming to the else statement used with loops. Till now, we have used this else statement with the if statement, right? We used if else and if-elif-else, right? And we can also use this else statement with the loops in Python. Okay, let's see that. Unlike C and C++ in Python, you have the else statement associated with a loop statement. If the else statement is used with a for loop, the else statement is executed when the condition becomes false. For suppose, if the condition mentioned in the for loop is false, then the else statement will be executed. The else block will be executed. For example, look at the code given below which illustrates this concept. Okay, let us consider this example. So here, for letter in hello, here we are used a membership operator that was in. We have two membership operators. They are in and not in. And we are checking for letter in hello. So we are iterating on each and every character in the string hello. So in the first iteration, the letter will be H. So we will print H. And in the second iteration, so E will be printed. And in third iteration, L. And in the fourth iteration, it will be L again. And in the fifth iteration, it will be 0. And again, we will go further. Is there any letter further? No, right? In that case, the else block will be executed. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, let's write the code for letter. And let's take logic string. We will print the letter. And if the condition is failed, we will print completed. Okay, let's run this program and see what will be the output. So if you see, the letter L, O, Z, I, C are printed in different lines. So finally, there will be no further letter. So that's why completed will be executed. Okay, let's write another code. Okay, let us say I have for I in range of. Okay, let's keep the start as 1 and the end as 1. And the step could be like 3. And in this case, let me print I. And then if it is failed, let's print failed. Okay, let me run this program now. So let's see what will be the output. So if you see failed, because the for loop is going to execute from 1 to 0, right? Even though we mentioned 1, 1, it will execute only till 1, 0, right? So this range was not a proper range. So that's why this condition is failed and the else block was executed, and that was print failed. And we can also do the same with while. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let us say I initialize I equal to 0, and then I used a while, and while I is less than or equal to 5, so we can print I. And okay, let's keep an incrementing statement that was I equal to I plus 1, right? So if this condition is failed, let's keep an else block. So I will print failed. Okay, now let me run this program. If you see, it was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then failed. So when I will become 6, if 6 is less than or equal to 5, no, then else block will be executed, the failed will be printed. So in this way, the else statement used with loops will work, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!